Hello. Glad to see you there. You got hit as well?
Yeah. I caught it good then.
Oh. God.
Hey, you got a shot? Yeah. Where are you? Here.
He's in the house. Well, in fucking, yeah, in panel hut. It's nice to see people when they do historical kits.
Yeah, it's a bit different.
Yeah, it's nice to see.
We did a battle team a couple of months ago.
Yeah.
It's brilliant and all, but there was a load of Polish players. They decided they wanted to be their own side, Grom.
Yeah.
And it was only Polish people who could be in it. So they booked that up and they were wearing multicam. Then there was NATO.
Yeah.
You could choose from digital, woodland, which one of my mates is wearing, tricolour, and of course multicam.
Yeah.
What do you think everybody wore?
Multicam. Yeah.
So then we had the problem of 2 of the 3 sides looked exactly the same and only the car tile stood out.
Oh.
And I was like, has nobody got any imagination? I mean, you don't need to do a full-on fucking trench warfare kit or anything, but you know, just a bit of flavour.
Yeah.
Something a bit different, but fuck, man.
I mean, half the time, like, surplus stuff is sometimes, depending on where it's come from, especially if it's British, like, if it's British like this, it lasts longer sometimes, and
Absolutely.
2, it's also a lot cheaper. I mean, this British stuff, this was like 15. These are about a tenner.
Yeah.
This is about a tenner.
I got loads of surplus stuff. I prefer it, if I can get it, I get surplus.
Yeah, that's what I'd do. I'd love it. I mean, I was fucking scrounging to try and find some Japanese surplus, but you can't, so I had to order some replica stuff.
Yeah.
And I bought a Type 89. I used that. I was going to bring it today, but I just didn't bother.
Yeah.
Because I wanted to use the GPMG.
Yeah, British surplus stuff. It's the real deal. So it's just everything's better about it. Dries quicker, everything.
Yeah.
Everything.
I'll say this. I know this is. I think this material, it's got a high plastic content, so in Northern Ireland they couldn't use them because of the petrol bombs.
Yeah.
I think it was this, or it was the jungle trousers.
Yes.
But it's waterproof, which is why it's great.
Yeah.
Well, mostly waterproof anyway.
Yeah.
It does the job.
Showerproof.
Yeah. Oh, is that friendly?
Okay.
Oh, that's friendly.
Down there. I don't know who it was, whether somebody was shooting up, but when I walked out of the bush, I thought,
Oh, what's this?
I was hit about 5 minutes ago, thinking nobody fucking stopped shooting me. I've already shouted hit. But they were shooting at somebody up there.
Okay, I've got the hopper perfect. So,
Okay.
Like it's 4 o'clock, if you go and go get 3 school, there's 4 of us that try and take that.
Yeah. Okay, so Stu, if you want to respawn.
Oh yeah. I'll go and do that. We've got a minute. Watch out, they're pushing up back there.
they're pushing up, guys.
Well, there was about 5 or 6 at least moving.
I'd say we go like through. Right, this path is like
Yeah,
snipers.
we'll go. Yeah. Wait for Stu.
I'm just going to spread out a bit just in case.
Yeah.
So I've got a direct view down the alley.
Okay, you're all right there then?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. do is, when my buddy gets back, I'm going to walk straight down to the centre, probably about 20 metres as far as you can see.
Yeah.
And then if you guys want to sort of come up behind and find out, I'll just be cannon fodder, I'll just draw fire.
Okay, well, go in there.
We're going to go in the middle, so going up here, because they want us to go up here.
Yeah, so they've got this is a kill corridor here.
Yeah, so we'll go through the centre bit, but if you hang back a little bit and say I die, then at least you know where I've got shot from, and you can just
draw at the fire.
Right, Stu's it, okay. There we go, Stu. I'm going to move up the centre about 20 metres as far as you can see. You guys then stage up behind me.
Yeah.
I'll move again until I get killed, and then you'll have an idea where it's coming from.
Okay.
Oh, through here. Oh, through here. Want me to take over there?